Hey guys, Glitchy here. Today I'm going to show you how to use your Xbox 360 controller without the battery packs. So this is a really simple trick to use this. Now, I guess it's because pennies conduct electricity or whatever, which is why this trick will work. So, all you gotta do, put this battery, I do believe this, something like this, yep, I'm gonna go up, and then you want to go down. Then, grab your 3 battery. Well, grab your 3 pennies and do this. Now, in 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Okay, that was kind of cringy, but this is how you do your thing. This is how you use your Xbox 360 controller without the battery pack. Thank you guys so much for watching, and leave a like and a comment for if you want to see another one of these videos. So, thank you guys so much for watching. This is TGDK closing the lid.